Yeah, good day, my viewers. I dropped a video earlier this morning and I want to make some corrections so that you understand why or what I dropped. Now, my chart is empty, my chart is as clean. It's clean, it's open. So, I want you to understand this before taking the trade. For my viewers and my subscribers, I really want to appreciate your concern for taking your time to go through my video. But what I really want you to understand is going through the video is okay, but learning what I am posting is another thing. Is the key here. You understand? Is the key. When you learn it and you put this into practice and you bring out the results, I'll be very grateful. I'll be happy. You understand? So I want you to share the video, like the video. You can drop a decent comment. Whatever you don't understand, you can call me, write me anytime, any day. I'll put you through. But here is starting from the scratch so that you understand. You understand why it's what I'm trying to explain or what I'm trying to do. Now, this is it. This is what I want you to understand and what I want you to see. Let's go to our main chart. This is the main chart now. This is Crash1000 on the 5 minutes time frame. Remember to make your zoom level. This is the first zoom level. This is our first zoom level. To take this trade successfully, you have to zoom it to the third zoom level. This is the third zoom level. This is the last. This is the last. The first zoom level. You zoom it second and third. These are third zoom level. These are third zoom level. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay. This is what I want you to do. Let's proceed. You go to your function key. Let's set up the main charts. We take a moving average. We take a moving average on the main chart. We take insert in the moving average 100. You make it weighted close, linear weighted close. I like using the green because it's my price. There you are. It shows this now is a slow moving average. It shows this is a downtrend. That is, it's a spiking trend. It's going to spike continuously until the moving average move to this direction. Look at it. Until you see it in this format behind the trend. Until you see the moving average behind the trend. What I try to explain in the morning is useless, as in will not yield positive results until you see it in this format. Look at the moving average. Look at it. If you see it on top of the price in this format now, look at this format. Look at showing, making this curve like this. My brother, my viewers, please don't go into the trade. It is risky. It is risky and it is dangerous. You might lose your funds. Please, I want to correct this. It happened to me before. I just realized, I said, no, I have to correct this impression so that people will not say this this thing is not correct, or maybe something has changed, or what is happening. Why am I not making the wins? You understand? So please and please and please, I want to beg you to look try to use this moving average, the 100 moving average. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. Now I like using the fractals on my main charts. I just like using the fractal because it gives me the go signal here. Yeah, this is the fractal. This is the fractal. Okay. So this is it. Here. Now, what is next? We have to make the set up the indicator window 1. indicator window 1. Here we come. Now we'll go to the RSI, click the function key, look for the RSI, latest trend index. This is it. The period is 7. Apply to close. Style is 2 pixel, and this is the level. I have level 90, 85, 70 down to 10. Once that is done, you take the style 2 pixel again, black, and you click done. And you have something in this format. Look at the movement of the RSI. Look at the movement of the RSI. The trend is rough, and it's rough. Now what do we do next? What next? We go to the function key, then the average true range. There we are. The period is also 7. Pixel is 2. The level. This is the level. You have what? See what I wrote there? 6 candles. That is if you are using a 1 minute time frame, but 5 minute time frame is okay. It is safer using a 5 minutes time frame. You make more money using the 5 minutes time frame, and you click done. Now we have the average true range. Now, what I tried to explain earlier, the only safe way we can take this trade, one condition is this: the moving average must be below, not on top. This one is wrong. This one is okay. Okay? One condition. This is one of the conditions before you enter this market. This moving average must not be here. It must be here, cutting through the price. Okay, look at this one. Look at this condition. The moving average is not on top. It's not on top of the price, but it's cutting through it. And look at this movement. Look at this movement. How many candles can we count? How many candles can we count? Look at the candles. Look at it. Look at it. Just take a look. We have more than 6 candles. More than 6 candles. Okay? So this is it. Look at it. Look at another condition here. This is another condition. Look at this one. Look at this one. I want you to be very, sure. Look at this. Look at what the moving average did here. Going through the price in, not on top. Now it is underneath. So this one is wrong. Whenever the moving average is moving up in this direction, is wrong. But if it's coming in this U pattern, in this pattern, is okay. Okay? So please, when you see it in this format, and there's a crossing in between 40 and 50, the RSI and the average true range crossing in between 40 and 50, you are good to go. Look at this now. Look at it. Look at this crossing. How many candles did you get? We got more than 10 candles from here, from this crossing. Can we count? Let's see if we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, I want you to take this serious. Okay? Always look out for the moving average. Look at this one. Look at this crossing. Look at this. The moving average is not on top of the price. It is not in this form. If it's in this form, it means there's going to be a spike. If it's in this form, look at it. Look at where it came from. It came like this, forming this pattern. and look at how many candles was taken. If you look at it very well, the crossing is in between 40 and 50, and look at the candles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can understand, 13 5-minute candle. You know how much that one will give to you. Only when this condition, look at the condition, only when this condition is met, my brothers, my listeners and my viewers, look at it. This one is not safe, but I want to take a very safe position. Look at this one. Look at what the moving average is doing here. Look at the moving average. What did it do? Okay. Look at it. Look at it. You see this movement. It is not in this format, but it is in this format. Okay, let's count and see how many we're able to get. Look at where the crossing came from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even despite this little spike, 9, 10, down, we got close to margin. So I want to correct this impression. When you see it in this format, look at the moving average now. When you see it in this format, please guys, you can easily exit the market and observe and watch. Look at this format. Coming in this format, coming downward. It's coming downward. So, point of correction, I have corrected myself, and I want you to take that correction and go for it, guys. Go for it. It is time to make money. It is time to make wealth. It is time to make wealth. We take the bulls by the horn. It's time to make wealth. I want to ensure you guys that if you follow these rules, follow these procedures, you surely make it. You surely make it. Look at this moving average here, forming this, not in this format. Okay, this is what I want to clear. I want to clear the air on this one. It is also on Crash 500, and Crash 300. Look at it. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at it. Just see. On this format. You see the format now. It's in this format. Okay. Let's go further. But it must be between 50 and 40 level on this format. Look at this crossing. How many candles? And look at the moving average forming this movement here. As long as it's like this, we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. You see these ones, despite the crossing. Let's look at this one. Just take a look at this. This is 500. See 500. Look at the moving average in this format. Look at it came down and went, this format, and see the crossing. Look at the crossing here. In between 40 and 50. Okay, let's look at Crash 300 to clear the air so that you know what we're doing. Look at Crash 300. Whenever you see the crossing, there's a crossing here. But I want to be sure. I want us to be sure. This is a good one too. But safely, if the crossing is not accurate, you have to allow it go through. You have to allow it pass until you see a perfect crossing. most times Crash 300, you go to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame will give you a positive result. Look at it. Look at the 1 minute time frame. 5 candles here is something good. Getting 5 candle. Look at the movement. This is it. See the movement here. Don't take it when it's like this. If it's forming a U, you can. But if it's forming this N shape, N pattern, don't enter the trade. Okay. So I want to encourage you guys to keep watching my videos, keep trading, keep being successful, and thank you all once again. Thank you all once again. I really appreciate your concern, your support, for being with me all this while. Thank you all, and have a nice day. Enjoy trading. See you guys.